Two people can have the exact same net worth and be in completely different financial positions. That alone tells you net worth doesn't capture everything that actually matters. Net worth is simply what you own minus what you owe. It's a useful snapshot, but it's still just a snapshot, a single number at a single moment in time. It doesn't tell you how that number was built, how stable it is, or what would happen to it under different conditions. Consider two people with identical net worth. One holds most of their wealth in cash and stable, easily accessible assets. The other holds the same total value, but tied up almost entirely in illiquid or highly concentrated positions. On paper, they look the same. In practice, one has far more flexibility, far more resilience to a sudden expense or a downturn, and far more control over their financial situation than the other. Net worth, on its own, can't show you any of that difference. A more complete picture includes how diversified that net worth is, how much of it is liquid versus locked away, how much debt sits behind the number, and how that wealth was generated, through steady, repeatable habits, or through conditions that may not hold going forward. This is the same kind of structural thinking that applies to analyzing a market. A single number rarely tells the full story. Context, composition, and stability matter just as much as the headline figure. At PrimeSetPeak, this is the approach we bring to financial topics overall, looking past the surface number and understanding the structure underneath it. Subscribe to PrimeSetPeak for structured analysis and strategic thinking applied to markets and personal finance alike.